Heartiest congratulations, Santosh Bhai, for new premises. You started your journey in Jan 2020 for securing health, wealth, and life of your customers. Today, you cover more than 850 investors. Their life as well as wealth is protected by you. May this new premises help you grow even more and secure wealth and health and life of your customers. All the very best, Santosh Bhai. Do well.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
In your community, please push LD reviews. This is Chitra, where did we get this badge?
We got it globally done, sir. Yes, Alvin sir.
Why didn't you want to pages by distribute to every member?
अपनी बात कर रहे थे. We get it.
Badge is ready here. Please, sir. Very promising. Very promising. As in more communities, just push it.
By 4 o'clock will be more than bus traffic is abstract traffic.